In order for your student to access Google Classroom and to join a Google Classroom, there are a few ways to do so. The first is to go to our website, eht.k12.nj.us, and scroll down to where it says Google Classroom on the right-hand side. You can also get to it by going directly to classroom.google.com, or to go to Google's website, click on the waffle, and find the icon for Google Classroom. It's important to know that you must be signed into your school email account, which more information is posted on Parent Portal about where to find this information. As you can see in my example, I'm involved in several Google Classrooms, but this first Google Classroom here indicates that I have yet to join the Google Classroom. My teacher has invited me to join this room, and I need to click the blue Join button to get in. If you are looking for another Google Classroom or your teacher sent out directions to join via class code, the other way you can join is by hitting this plus sign in the top corner and hit Join Class. In order to successfully join the class, you will need the class code to register. But because my teacher has invited me to join manually, all I have to do is hit Join, and from this point forward, I will be listed as a student in the classroom. As you can see, I already have a couple of assignments scheduled for me to complete. The first is a question. A question, in order to fill out this assignment, is as simple as clicking on the description and filling in my answer here. When I am finished, all I have to do is hit Turn In, and the teacher will be notified that I have completed the assignment. For this sort of assignment, which is a full assignment beyond just a simple question or a discussion board post, I would have to click on this assignment and read the directions here. If I had any specific questions, I can write a private comment which will send my teacher an email. The teacher can then respond back. When I've completed the assignment, all I have to do is hit Add or Create, and in this particular project, I would have to add a Google Slideshow. I can click Google Slides or attach it from my Google Drive if I already have it completed. Now that I've attached my Google Slide, all I have to do is hit Turn In. It will allow my teacher to know that I am turning in that slideshow and hit Turn In. Then I know my classwork is complete. If at any time I want to see what classwork I have turned in or when new assignments are posted, I can click right on classwork and see them organized here. At this time, I have not completed the question assignment, but I have turned in my cell presentation, which was due later this week. Students should communicate any questions that they have about an assignment through Google Classroom or send an email directly to their teacher.